Coverage of the 2018 TechCrunch Disrupt is brought to you by Galvanize TV.
I'm Derek Rodriguez with Galvanize TV, and I'm also here interviewing Naomi with Stellar Station. Could you please talk to us about what Stellar Station does?
Right, so Stellar Station is a platform to share ground system for satellite communications.
Amazing. And so, anything you'd like to share with startup communities about your success so far?
Right, the space startup is sort of the minor area in the startup ecosystem, but that is I believe that is one of the rapidly increasing the field, and we really encourage to get the new players from the other industries.
And how do you plan on keeping up with the rapidly increasing and shifting market?
I'm sorry.
You said that it was rapidly increasing and changing all the time. How does your company plan on keeping up with that demand?
Right. So the growth is led by satellite operators, satellite developers. They develop a satellite at very cheap cost in short term, but the missing piece is the ground system. Currently there is a very expensive service available, and also the capacity is less. So we want to solve that pain, and the our platform, I believe our platform will solve that pain.
Great. And do you have any advice for other entrepreneurs out there like yourself?
Well, understands the risks and competitors, and believes their own ideas.
Great. Well, it's all about understanding the risks, and I'm with Galvanize TV.